In this lesson, we'll practice reading real Arabic words together. Now that you know all the Arabic letters and their sounds with short and long vowels, let's start putting them together to read words. Keep in mind, we are reading in Modern Standard Arabic, MSA, not in the very formal style where every word ends with a full vowel. In MSA, the final letter of a word is usually left without a vowel mark. It has a still sound at the end in reading, writing, and everyday conversation. This is because the final ending is not needed for clear meaning. We will explain more about these endings in a future lesson. Example 1. Bab, meaning door. First letter Ba. Open your mouth slightly. It is a short sound Ba. Then comes long vowel Alif. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. Ba. Finally, the last letter has no vowel mark here, so it keeps a still sound B. Let's read together. Ba. A. B. Bab. One more time. Ba. A. B. Bab. Now the whole word. Bab. Bab. Example 2. Kitab, meaning book. First letter Ki. Smile gently. It is a short sound Ki. Then comes Ta. Open your mouth slightly. It is a short sound Ta. Now comes long vowel Alif. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. Ta. The final letter is written without a vowel mark, so we keep it still. B. Now read with me. Ki. Ta. A. B. Kitab. One more time. Ki. Ta. A. B. Kitab. Now the whole word. Kitab. Kitab. Example 3. Mal, meaning money. First letter Ma. Open your mouth slightly. It is a short sound Ma. Then comes long vowel Alif. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. Ma. Finally, the last letter has no vowel mark here, so it keeps a still sound L. Let's read it together. Ma. A. L. Mal. One more time. Ma. A. L. Mal. Now the whole word. Mal. Mal. Example 4. Noor, meaning light. First letter Nu. Round your lips. It is a short sound Nu. Then comes long vowel Wow. Stress the sound and hold it for 2 beats. Nu. Then the final letter is written without a vowel mark, so we keep it still. R. Now read with me. Nu. U. R. Noor. One more time. Nu. U. R. Noor. Now the whole word. Noor. Noor. Example 5. Toot, meaning berries. The first letter Tu. Round your lips. It is a short sound Tu. Then comes long vowel Wow. Stress the sound and hold it for 2 beats. Tu. At the end, the letter has no vowel, so it remains still when we read it. T. Let's read the word together. To, oo, t, toot. One more time. To, oo, t, toot. Now the whole word. Toot, toot. Example 6. Dude, meaning worms. The first letter, do. Round your lips. It is a short sound, do. Then comes long vowel, wow. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. Do. The final letter has no vowel mark, so we read it as a still sound, d. Now read with me. Do, oo, d, dude. One more time. Do, oo, d, dude. Now the whole word. Dude, dude. Example 7. Teen, meaning fig. First letter, T. Smile gently. It is a short sound, T. Then comes long vowel, ya. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. T. The final letter is written without a vowel mark, so we keep it still. N. Now read with me. T, E, N, teen. One more time. T, E, N, teen. Now the whole word. Teen, teen. Example 8. Gil, meaning generation. First letter, G. Smile gently. It is a short sound, G. Then comes long vowel, ya. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. G. At the end, the letter has no vowel, so it remains still when we read it. L. Let's read together. G, E, L. Gil. One more time. G, E, L. Gil. Now the whole word. Gil, Gil. Example 9. Feel, meaning elephant. First letter, F. Smile gently. It is a short sound, F. Then comes long vowel, ya. Stretch the sound and hold it for 2 beats. F. The final letter is written without a vowel mark, so we keep it still. L. Now read with me. F, E, L. Feel. One more time. F, E, L. Feel. Now the whole word. Feel, feel. Now let's review all the words we practiced today. Bab, kitab, mal. Again. Bab, kitab, mal. Nur, toot, dood. Again. Nur, toot, dood. Teen, Gil, feel. One more time. Teen, Gil, feel. Excellent work. You've practiced reading real Arabic words step by step, with short sounds, long sounds, and still sounds. Now you're ready to build more vocabulary and start making simple phrases with the words you know. This video is part of the Arabic learning series. Don't forget to subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss the next one. Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear about your progress. See you next time.